So, et ito po yung ating, library management system. Ito po yung source code natin. So, send po natin ito. Then, run. So, ito po yung libraries management system. Ito yung book ID, title, author, year, and quantity. So, mag-add book tayo. Harry Potter. And author, published 2000, quantity, then, save. Okay, then add book ulit. Then, Batang Quiapo. Author, Coco Martin. Republish 2024. Quantity 15. And save. Okay. And access. Library system. Then books. So, ito po yung ating mga book ID. Then, yung search po natin. Harry Potter. So, ito. Lumabas po yung Harry Potter na book natin. Then, refresh. Then, lumabas ulit yung Batang Quiapo. Then, try natin mag-delete. Delete book. Ayan. Harry Potter, delete natin. Then, yes. Click OK then. Punta tayo sa access. Then, library system. So, ayun, no. Nakita nyo, na-delete yung book na dinelete natin. Then, balik tayo dito yung edit book. So, 2024. Gawin natin 20. Then, update. Then, click OK. Ito tayo sa access. Library system. Books. So, ayun, no, na-edit natin yung quantity natin naging 20 kanina, 15 lang. So, yun po, gumagana yung system natin. Thank you po.